everybody, my name is Varshini from grade 6C representing Mirabai House. Today I'm going to speak about an amazing festival that's Diwali. Diwali is a festival of lights. It is one of the grandest festivals celebrated in India. Mainly, it is celebrated to mark joy, victory and harmony. Diwali is also known as Deepavali. Falls during month of October or November. It is celebrated after 20 days of Dussehra festival. Diwali celebrates eventual defeat of evil spirit Ravana and Rama's triumphant return to his home Ayodhya. The business community considers it is an auspicious time to start new ventures as the festival coincides with the Hindu New Year. Now sit back and relax everyone for breathtaking song and dance that will uplift the spirit of Diwali. Thank you.
करे दूर अंधेरा, दीप जले ऐसे लगे जैसे सवेरा।
प्यार की सौगातें हूँ, तारों की बारातें हूँ,
दूरी की नवातें हूँ, बस मुलाकातें हूँ,
सबको यही देती संदेशा। दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाई रे, रोशनी की चादर ओढ़े दीपावली आई रे। दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाई रे, रोशनी की चादर ओढ़े दीपावली आई रे। पे अपने तिलक लगाए, आज अपने भाग हम सवारे।
हमसे धन की देवी रूठे ना कभी,
डोर सुख चैन की टूटे ना कभी,
सबको यही देती संदेशा। घरे घरे माँ खुशी से माते जी, चतुर्थी से आलो घरे दियाली आशे।
दिवाली चारे पासे बढ़ के खुशी छाई वे, रोशनी दे रंग लगे दिवाली आई।
చేద్దాం దీపాల కాంతుల్లో మస్తుగా చిందులు వేద్దాం ఆడే పాడే మనమాడే పాడే ఇక ఆడే పాడే ఐశ్వర్యాల కాంతులు నింపే పండగ వచ్చిందే మెరుపుల జల్లే నేలను తాకే దీపావళి నోరూరించే పిండి వంటల పండగ వచ్చిందే లక్ష్మీదేవి దీవించాలి ప్రతి ఒక్కరిని సుమన సవందిత సుందరి మాధవి చంద్ర సహోదరి హే మమయే మునిగణ వందిత మోక్ష ప్రదాయిని మంజుల భాషిని వేదనుతే పంకజవాసిని దేవసి పూజిత సద్గుణ వర్షిణి శాంతియుతే జయ జయ హే మధుసూదన కామిని ఆది లక్ష్మి సదా పాలయమా దీపమే మురిసిన వేళ నవ్వులే కురిసిన వేళ ఆడపడుచుల అందాల మేళ పూజలే జరిపిన వేళ దీవెనే పొందిన వేళ ఇంటిలో నిండుగా సిరుల కాల
song, rock with us song, dance with us song. Diwali. Come with us song, rock with us song, dance with us song. Diwali. Come on, the festive is on. Let's join together and have some fun. We'll make our friendship bond be strong by sharing sweets with dance and song. Let's have some fun and celebrate Diwali. Now we are one, together we say Happy Diwali. Come on all Mauritians, say together Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali. Come on all Mauritians, say together Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali. It's a beautiful festival of light. We wish you all a happy Diwali. Beautiful festival of light. Happy Diwali. It's a beautiful festival of light. We wish you all a happy Diwali. Beautiful festival of light. வாங்க கொண்டாடிடுவோம் இந்த தீபாவளி பண்டிகை ஒளியோடும் இனிப்போடும் மகிழ்ந்திடுவோம் இந்த தீபாவளி பண்டிகை हम नाच गाए जश्न मना लेंगे और सबको मीठे बांट लेंगे जश्न मना लेंगे.
That was such a breathtaking song and dance. I am Allu Saruchi from grade 8C. Now I'm going to share with you all a lovely informative presentation on Diwali. Diwali. Candles to enjoy life, decorations to light life, presents to share success, firecrackers to burn evils, sweets to sweeten success, and worship to thank God. Why is Diwali celebrated? There are many myths about why Diwali is celebrated, but among all of them, many people believe that the main reason behind it is to celebrate Lord Rama's eventual victory, defeat of the evil spirit Ravana, and Lord Rama's triumphant return to his home. It is an occasion to celebrate victory over defeat. Now, let's see a video on different beliefs on why Diwali is celebrated.
Diwali celebrates the victory of good over evil and light over darkness. Diwali is celebrated on the new moon's night of the month of Kartik. In ancient times, Diwali was an important harvest festival. Most of us associate the festival of lights with the return of Ram to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. There are, however, many other stories that are associated with the festival of Diwali. The birthday of Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, is celebrated in many parts of India on the day of Diwali. In Bengal, devotees worship Kali, the goddess associated with Shakti, on the day of Diwali. Another story that coincides with the celebration of Diwali is the return of the Pandavas after their 13 years of exile on the new moon's night of Kartik. People celebrated their return by lighting lamps and bursting crackers. It is said that Vikramaditya, the great king, was coronated on the day of Diwali. Mahavir Tirthankar, the founder of Jainism, is believed to have attained nirvana on the day of Diwali, making it a significant occasion for the Jains as well. The festival of Diwali is often also associated with gambling. It is believed that Parvati played dice with her husband Shiv on the day of Diwali. People believe that gambling on Diwali bring them prosperity. All these beliefs together make Diwali the festival of joy, victory, prosperity and wealth.
Wow, that was such an informative video. Now let us find out more about Diwali. The festival is 5 days long. It is celebrated in the month of Kartika. It is the festival of lights, which we all know. But do we know the real meaning behind its name? Let's find out. Deep means light, and Avali means a row, which means to become a row of lights. This is the real meaning behind its name. During this festival, we embrace one another and create a bond of love. Wishing you all a really happy Diwali. Thank you.
Diwali is a festival of lights, and what can be a better way of celebrating Diwali by making diyas all by yourself? The students of Mirabai House have made beautiful diyas, which they'll be explaining further in the video. So come, let's enjoy the video.
Greetings everyone, we are the student of entrepreneurship from grade 11. We have painted these diyas for entrepreneurship stall. I have painted this golden diya with pink petals and leaves with green color. And I have put gundan with green color and blue at the back.
In this diya, we have painted the flower pink and gold, and then we have contrasted the leaves with green and blue, and then for the highlight we have added golden and blue on the sides.
I primarily painted this diya green and I've added some golden and pink highlights. I've also decorated with green and gold rhinestones.
Dear friends, my dear children, wishing you a very, very happy and lightful Diwali. Diwali is considered to be a festival of lights. May God lit up many lights in your hearts and souls and minds on this occasion. Diwali is linked with many mythological incidences, but the most important is return of Bhagwan Ram back to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. When we celebrate Diwali, the cleaning of the houses and establishments starts 15 days to 1 month or 2 months in advance. Everyone says we are cleaning the houses and our shops and offices to celebrate Diwali. But dear friends, you know the true cleanliness will be when we clean our hearts and souls of all the filth which is filled in it in the form of 5 vikaras: Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Moh, Maya and Kara. True Diwali will be when we eradicate these vices from our hearts and souls. Dear children, I know you are very excited to celebrate Diwali, because moment we say Diwali, 2 things come as a flash before your mind. It is the crackers and the lights. You burn crackers, you light up crackers, no problem. But think one thing, that when you explode these heavy bombs, the sound of that kills so many birds. I would request you that you all celebrate a green Diwali. Diwali with eco-friendly crackers. Don't be the cause of death of so many innocent birds and animals who shiver when they hear the explosive sound of the crackers. You know, these festivals come every year to remind us that what is our duty towards the society. Diwali. Diwali has Ali. Ramzan. Ramzan has Ram. So they also hint at the unity of different castes and creeds. There is no difference between any caste and creed. God wants us to remain as good human beings, belonging to any caste. If we are Hindus, be good Hindus. If we are Muslims, be good Muslims. If we are Christians, be good Christians. This is what God expects of each one of us. So let us pledge this Diwali that we will not kill so many birds and animals for our pleasure of lighting heavy crackers. We will maintain unity among different castes, and we will cleanse ourselves of the 5 vices which each and every human being possesses. I once again wish you a very happy Deepavali. May you be cleansed of every vice which we all have, and may you all lead a very happy and colorful life. Thank you and God bless you all.
Diwali is a festival that brings darkness into light, negativity into positivity, and sadness to happiness. I hope everyone enjoyed the wonderful assembly presented by Mirabai House. I would like to thank the Mirabai House wardens, Rakhi ma'am, Kavita ma'am, and Sri Lakshmi ma'am for their ever-present support. And of course, Mahesh sir and Raji ma'am for the melodious music and dance performances. I would also like to thank Dr. Sir and Arpita ma'am for this wonderful opportunity.